Hey guys, welcome to my new YouTube series. My name is Alessandro Vitale and this is our journey from backyard garden to farm. This is our second day renting a plot of land in East London, measuring 110 square meters, and the end goal is to get a bigger land, creating a community space with renewable energy. This is the behind the scenes of our life, encouraging nature to thrive in our little slice of East London. Yo. Organic lavazza, I'm making a mess.
That's spilling, yeah.
Yesterday it was -5.
Can't know, man. The van died.
No way.
We got to the container, filled it with wood and tools, and yeah, dead. And that would just
So, today is our second day at the allotment. Last time we had loads of volunteers coming over and they did an amazing job. We removed all the weeds, rubbish and loads of bricks that we found that we're gonna upcycle and use in another project. And the first thing that we made was a compost bay, so we could add all the weeds from here and transform it into something valuable that we will reuse for our beds. And what we're gonna do is to lightly till the ground and add a layer of wood chips, and by doing this we are leveling the ground ready to place our raised beds. And we won't do this again, we will just apply a Nordic method moving forward, so we will just build layers on the top.
split it to each area, so the wood goes up here.
Yeah.
And then if we have like set walkways, maybe like flowers in between, so everything's just like bursting with life around the pathways.
Yep. So do you think for today we can make the herb spiral?
Yep. Yeah, we'll make a start. That area between there and there, we'll measure that. My one is 150 centimeters from there to there.
Okay.
So we could just find the center point ish of this bit.
Yeah.
and then we'll start. I just want to get that bit a little bit flat with wood chips. Just
Of course, yeah.
drag it, and we'll start something. And it's nice that you've got like different bricks.
We can use all those, right?
And it's like making a mark on what was here before. Like, so you're using a material that we found here, dug up, and we're upcycling it to make something cool.
Of
and
course.
like a feature.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
We finished to make the herb spiral, and now what we need to do is to top it up with compost and add all the herbs based on the sun rotation. We will place them in strategic positions, so things that need more sun obviously will be on the top, and things that need more shade will be on the sides where the spiral is going down. It was a pretty quick job. We used materials that were already here, and after these jobs that we did today, I think we will call it a day, because it's getting pretty cold and the light, it's almost gone. So what I'm doing now at the end of the day is this simple spreadsheet with a list of plants that I'm planning to have at the allotment, and whatever I see green, it means the time that I should sow them indoor, plant them indoor. The blue part means when they're due to be moved outdoor, and the orange is the harvest time. And making something like that, as I said, is super simple, and it's going to help you so much to get an understanding of crop rotation. So by doing this, you can start growing your own food all year round without having dead times and leaving bare soil. And as soon as I finish this, I need to start packing, because we bought some tickets last minute for Tenerife, and we are going there to view some land and potentially, who knows, find something that we can transform and create a permaculture heaven.